Hello, this is a small video about my power grid analyzer project. Um, this is a video about the functionalities, and there will be another one about what's inside and how to integrate the different elements into the box, which is made with 3D printer. So what do we have here? This is the time domain representation of the voltage. And now I'm going to plug a phone charger and I am going to charge a phone. As you can see, there's an auto range for the current. There are 10 ranges for the display and 2 ranges for the measures. And you can also switch to the frequency domain representation, which gives you the current of the spectrum of the current. Now we go back to the time domain and see what can be adjusted. So here you can adjust the contrast, setting it up or down. You can adjust the brightness of the backlight. You can choose a window for the FFT, but it's not really useful because the sampling rate is a multiple of the power grid's frequency. You can adjust the phase between the current and voltage. You can save and recall data. You can make a screenshot. There's also an about. You've got the choice between the famous Lina on the left and the famous Captain Caveman on the right. And pushing a button, you can activate, run, and stop. There's a counter here that lets you know when the measures are refreshed. As you can see, the refreshing rate is about 3 per second. Now, if we take a look at the frequency domain, most of the time the current spectrum will only have odd harmonics. So in order to get a little bit more precision than the display, you've got the amplitude of the odd harmonics with respect to the fundamental. If we change the windowing, it will only be a question of aesthetic consideration. because rectangle windowing is perfectly suitable for such an application. Thank you, goodbye, and see you for another video.